In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Make sure you're logged into the correct business profile before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one company. Once you're in, you'll be ready to add sales tax directly to an invoice. Next, open an invoice. You can either create a brand new invoice or open an existing one if you want to update it. This is where FreshBooks lets you attach tax settings to the services or items you're billing for. Working from the invoice screen helps you see exactly how the tax will affect the final total. Once the invoice is open, look below the item rate area and click Add Taxes. This opens the tax setup window, where you can create and apply the tax details you need. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to check the line item section carefully, since the option is tied to the invoice pricing area. When the tax window appears, enable the tax rate by checking the tax box on the left side. This activates the tax entry, so FreshBooks knows you want to use it on the invoice. Without checking that box, the tax settings may not be applied correctly. Now enter the tax rate in the rate field. This is where you type the percentage for the sales tax you need to charge. Be careful to enter the correct rate, since even a small mistake can affect the invoice total and your records. After that, enter the tax name in the tax name field. Use a clear name that helps you recognize the type of tax later. This is especially useful if you work with different tax categories or need to review invoices in the future. If required, you can also enter a tax number in the tax number field. This step is optional, so if your region or business setup doesn't require it, you can leave it blank. If you do need it, double-check the number for accuracy before moving on. If you need to charge more than one tax, click Add another tax. This allows you to create an additional tax rate and include it on the same invoice. It's helpful in places where multiple tax levels apply. Before finishing, review the tax details carefully. Verify that the tax rate and tax name are correct and match what you intend to charge. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent corrections later. Once everything looks right, click Apply Taxes. FreshBooks will add the tax to the invoice total, and your setup is complete. Thanks for watching.